What I wish I knew at my first waterfall. Nothing compares to Iguazu Falls. Not Niagara, not Victoria. This is the ultimate showstopper. Stretching across the border of Brazil and Argentina, Iguazu Falls is more than just a waterfall. It's 275 waterfalls crashing together in a breathtaking display. The thundering water, the mist rising up, and the endless rainbows make you feel like you've stepped into another world. The sound? It roars louder than a stadium crowd, echoing through lush, wild rainforest. Capuchin monkeys chatter in the treetops, while colorful birds swoop through the spray. Whether you're cruising on a boat below or gazing from a walkway above, Iguazu will leave you speechless. If you love adventure, beauty, and the power of nature, this is the place you need to see. Add Iguazu Falls to your bucket list. Your inner explorer will thank you.